All right, hello. So one way to use Google Scholar to your advantage is just to find articles. So we'll use my thesis as an example. If you know the name of the author, you can type it along with a topic. Otherwise, just type the topic into the Google search and it'll bring up a bunch of articles. Now you have to be careful here that you're picking geology articles. I highly recommend skimming through the articles before you maybe decide that they're a good fit for your literature review. And to access them, usually, if you click on this link here, it's usually just going to give you a preview. However, if you go to over on the side here, PDF, a lot of times that will give you a PDF, a downloadable PDF of the article. And you can see here that ones that don't have the PDF attached, they'll just have a blank space there. But you can usually click on these. It's kind of nice. If you need to look for an article that's behind a paywall, the GRCC library website has a list of databases that you could use. It's a paid service that the college pays for, and they'll have access to articles there. Do not pay for an article for this assignment. Just look for this PDF here. If you don't see that PDF next to that article and you can't find it anywhere else online for free, you might have to just abandon it and try to find another similar article that has a PDF link. But what I wanted to show you here really quickly is that when you go to cite these papers on your references page, if you click underneath the article here, if you click this cite button here, it pulls up a number of different formats, 5 different formats here. MLA, which is usually used for kind of English papers and things like that. APA you'll use in some science classes, but mostly in psych and things like that. A history class, you might use Chicago style here. That's the one that has footnotes. But for our purposes, we're going to use GSA Bulletin, which is not listed here. It's kind of a niche format, but Harvard format has the same basic formatting. And I'll show you the one difference you have to do here. So you can just click on that and copy it, bring it over into a Word doc. And once in the Word doc, all you have to do is paste it. And the key here is, with GSA Bulletin format, is just unitalicize the title. Harvard generally brings in the same amount of information that you would need. Now, this is a thesis, so it doesn't have a lot of the normal stuff that you might see. But if we do go back to this and try to find an article that's not a thesis, let's say this one, you'll see Harvard here has some other interesting stuff, like the journal name and the volume and the issue and the page number it's found on. You just unitalicize all that stuff that's italicized, and you're basically in GSA format. So hopefully that's helpful to you. That'll save you a little time. Good luck.